How to make an origami frog. Grab a piece of square paper or a regular piece and make it into a square by folding one of the bottom corners to meet the top. Make sure the sides are in line with one another before you crease it down. Cut or tear the end piece off. If tearing, fold it over and crease it down. Now open it up and reverse the fold. This will give you a neater tear. Fold the paper in half. Now fold it in half again. Fold one of the corners up to the top. Make sure the sides are in line with one another before you crease it down. Do the same with the other side. Now fold the bottom up to where the diagonal lines end. Pull the end triangles on the sides inwards and flatten down. Fold the bottom up to where the triangle starts. Now fold the sides into the centre line, but do so behind the triangle. Fold the bottom up again to where the triangle starts. Fold the top corners down to the centre line. Open and pull the ends out like so. Fold the bottom sides down. Now fold them out to the diagonal lines. Fold the top corners up in the same way. Fold the bottom half over the top. Make sure the fold is between the top and bottom legs. Now fold the top bit in half and apply a lot of pressure. Done. I could jump like that as well. Just wait for Dan to get back and I'll show you. In the meantime, I could sing you a song if you like. I write mine original ones, I do. This is going to be my new single. It's called Frog Life, and it goes like this. No, don't make me jump just yet, Dan. I'm just going to sing my song. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications for upcoming videos.